best shooting night. After allowing him to shoot 56.5%, 68 points in the first half, how did you adjust your strategies come to the second half that eventually created a separation?
We were playing at our pace. I felt that if we're able to weather the storm, yung shooting nila masyado maganda. No? They were making their threes, they were making even their fours. On ISOs, they were making their shots. Sabi ko lang, we were playing the pace that we wanted. Maybe in the fourth quarter, we'll be able to get a break. And true enough, we played better defense, in the second half, especially in the fourth quarter. So, nalampasan lang namin yung torrid shooting percentage nila. Patience, keeping the pace quick, working hard off the board so we can get out in transition. So sila Adrian put it on in the second half. Pero in the first half, I think we stayed in the game because of si Kit Datu. So kung pwede lang dalawa yung best player, si Kit pwede rin. So it's a testimony to the patience of the guys and not folding up despite the torrid shooting of Blackwater.
Thank you, Coach Jan. Adrian, nung nag-usap tayo bago ng laro, sabi mo wala kang nagugustuhang gawin mo this conference dahil sobrang nakukulangan ka sa depensa mo. Pero ngayon, paano mo ba nakita na gumanda yung depensa mo at paano rin ito natulungan na kunin yung rhythm mo ulit sa opensa?
Ayun sabi nga sa amin ni Coach nung huddle kanina nung halftime, yung depensa talaga kailangan namin dumiin lang. Kasi di na namin kailangan mag-scheme pa. Yung kailangan namin dumiin dun sa depensa. So inumisa namin sa depensa. Tapos yung offense, kung saan naman yung dumarating din. Sa tulong din ng mga kasama ko. Kaya maganda yung kinalabasan.
Thank you, Adrian. We're now welcoming questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations.
Salamat.
Coach, if Dato kanilig na tonight, how happy are you considering the last years on and off siya, tapos mga injuries ka?
Actually, galing din siya sa injury ngayon, no? But we were able to play him the last game. Medyo nung last game namin kalaban yung Converge, medyo hinabol lang namin talaga siya na mailaro siya kasi masyado malalaki yung mga Converge. Pero he was not really 100% that time. So the few days extra practice, extra workouts and therapy, I think did him well. I was watching out for him if he could play the minutes that I gave him. Binabantayan ko kung pagod na o kailangan na. So we manage his minutes as well as he was playing. I wanted to play him a lot longer. Pero minanage ko pa rin yung minutes niya bandang huli.
Adrian, kung sa'yo mo, injured ka kanina, and then bago yun, sa mga nakalayo sa sa inyo?
Nag-cramps lang. Tapos yun nga, sabi ko nga kanina, sa tulong din ng mga kasama ko, yung pagka-rebound namin, talagang yung runouts namin, nakakapag-convert kami dun. So yun, kaya nanalo kami.
Even kung pensa mo nag-pick up na after medyo slow start ka, hindi namin nakita yung usual na ginawa mo last conference. Ano bang nangyari po sa slow start and paano mo rin ako yung review mo?
Ako pinanood ko yung mga games ko ng mga nakaraan, talagang yung depensa talagang na sa akin. So kailangan ko lang din mag-adjust na pag may umarang na may mas libre na sa akin. So yun, paunti-unti kailangan makapag-adjust din ako kasi yung depensa lagi nang nandun sa akin.
Makaka-adjust ka na.
Kahit pa paano naman.
Coach, dapat ang next week nun, dapat is TNT on 40, bago yung schedule, it would be Magnolia soothing TNT. So it's also that yung schedule it.
Gusto ko sana na na makapaglaro agad, no, kasi tingin ko maganda yung kondisyon namin, pero okay rin na humaba yung rest namin. We are taking an 11-day rest, I think. So mahaba masyado. But we will use that to rest and recover. Especially yung mga bigs namin, no, si Bo, hindi pa talaga 100%. Well, si Keith nga, I'm surprised actually, sobrang ganda nilaro niya, pero akala ko medyo hinahabol pa niya yung conditioning niya. Galing nga siya sa injury din. Kailan had back spasms, but he was really a big help today on both ends, offense and defense. So when we got our bigs back, nung naibalik namin yung mga bigs namin, pati si Gabe, medyo nakakatakbo na kami. Kasi hindi ka talaga makakatakbo kung hindi ka makarebound. Doon sa Converge, hindi kami makatakbo dahil 2 tao sa kanila katumbas ng isang team namin sa rebound. 39 rebounds si Arana tsaka si Balti. Yung buong team namin, 40 rebounds lang. So kahit gusto mong tumakbo, hindi ka makatakbo dahil wala kang rebound. So I think that played a lot into the result of the game. So naging leksyon sa amin yon. No? Hindi naman sa nagbibigay kami excuse, masyado kaming maliit nung kalaban namin yung Converge. Pero ngayon nga, naibalik na yung mga bigs namin, medyo mas malaki kami. So kailangan namin talagang paghusayan pa pagre-rebound. Nakatulong din si Adrian sa rebound. Kaya kahit na mga gwardiya, kailangan namin rebound.
Coach, good evening, Coach. 7 players finishing in double figures. To the beginning pa kay Felix Renelli, 8%. Shooting 50% from the field. How do you like your distribution lang in terms of offense?
Yun naman talaga ang ideal sa amin. No? We try to design the burden to be distributed among all the players. Hahanapin lang namin kung sino yung merong magandang nilalaro nung araw na yon. So kanina nag-umpisa kay Keith, tapos si Mamu maganda, si Kailan maganda, tapos nung second half sila Adrian naman. So hinahanap lang namin kung sino, hindi naman namin yan ilalagay sa balikat ng 1 o 2 tao lang. So we try to even out the responsibilities.
Coach, maganda rin siguro papaon yung panalo going to your game against Magnolia.
Yun yung pinag-usapan namin kanina, bago tayo magbakasyon, sana panalo, tapos may time tayo mag-prepare para sa leading team na yun, yung Magnolia. So malaking bagay yun para naka-recover ka na, may time ka pa na mag-prepare. So gagamitin namin sa paghahanda.
Yan, si Robin.